Ladies and gentlemen at European Commission in Brussels, Belgium, European Parliament in Strasbourg, France and European Human Rights Commission in Geneva, Switzerland. October 18, 2024. We, Ethiopians living and working in Europe, are raising a cry of alarm to the European Parliament, the European Commission and to all representatives of Western countries. Since 2018, the year a new self-acclaimed seventh king, named Abiy Ahmed, came to power in Ethiopia, who has been carrying out a planned and implemented genocidal policy towards other ethnic groups except his own, the Oromo, living in this country. More than 1 million people have already died, many of these crimes being committed in atrocious and barbaric ways. Millions more are forcibly displaced from their homes. Thousands more languishing in prisons with no basic human rights. Thousands more are forced into exile by implementing principles of apartheid to divide and rule the people along ethnic lines. A human tragedy is taking place with the total knowledge of Western countries and international bodies, not to mention sometimes with their support and complicity of Western nations. As the genocide in Rwanda did not teach you any lessons, why you remain outrageously passive without moving a finger? Why is the European Union financing the brutal regime of Abiy Ahmed? This silence and carelessness of all Western countries who claim to be defenders of the main charters of human rights seems incomprehensible to us, is forcing us to question your sincerity. In recent weeks, the bloodthirsty and genocidal government of Abiy Ahmed has been killing thousands of innocent people with drones and heavy weapons in the Amhara region in northern Ethiopia without the international authorities condemning its actions as a crime against humanity. What is even worse, of these attacks with planes, combat helicopters and drones are carried out against civilian populations under the order of the Commander-in-Chief of the Army, General Yilma Merdassa. This same person has been recently appointed as chairman of Ethiopian Airlines. This proves the contempt for all rules and norms of international civil aviation. How can Abiy Ahmed, as the architect of such untold genocide, still not being charged at ICC? Ethiopia is now sinking into an unprecedented civil war and genocidal acts that the modern world has not known until now. To remain passive or inactive in the face of oppression makes you as guilty as the oppressor himself. Shockingly, in a country where only 12.5% of the population can avail themselves of clean water sources and a significant 78% of Ethiopians struggle to make ends meet, earning less than $2 per day. Amidst these dire circumstances, Abiy Ahmed's extravagant construction of the world's most expensive palace, which is estimated at $15 billion, raises serious concerns. It is imperative that the international community scrutinizes and takes action to halt this project. Ethiopia is in dire need of food, hospitals, clinics, schools, and road infrastructure to address the pressing needs of its citizens. Therefore, we are requesting the European Union stop funding the Ethiopian regime without any preconditions. We are also requesting Office of the European Union to organize a meeting with the representatives of our association from European countries so we can elaborate on this matter further. Please contact us using our email address below. Best regards, Association of Ethiopians in Europe, Head Office, Frankfurt, Germany. Our website is ethio.diaspora.net. Our email address is admin@ethio.diaspora.net.